friends, it's Chef Kim here. I miss and love you all, and as you know, it's May, which is usually when our kindergartners have their lemonade stand in front of Greentown East. So I was hoping today I can show you how to make lemonade at home, so maybe you can have your own lemonade stand. And here are the ingredients that you will need. You are going to need fresh lemons. You are also going to need sugar, and lastly you are going to need water. So some of the tools that you will need is a measuring cup for your water. You are going to need a cutting board and knife to cut your lemons in half. You're going to use a measuring cup for your sugar. You will also need a juicer to juice your lemons. If you don't have a juicer, like I don't have a juicer, I will show you how to juice your lemons at home using tongs. And I have this little strainer so that way seeds don't get into our lemonade. You can also use your hands just to make sure that the seeds don't go in. And lastly, the last tool you will need is a pitcher for your lemonade. So, let's get started. Make sure that your hands are nice and clean. When you have your lemons, they need to be nice and juicy. So if they feel too firm, you want to either microwave them for a couple of seconds, or you can roll them with your hands and you can start feeling the juice fill up in the lemons. That will help warm up the lemons. So once you feel like your lemons are ready to be juiced, you need to cut them in half. So you take your knife and you make sure you're careful and cut it in half. Now we need to juice these lemons. Now we need to juice our lemon halves. And if you do not have a juicer to get all the juice out, then you can use a pair of kitchen tongs and a container that will hold all your juice after squeezing it. And I'm going to use this container and put a strainer on top so that way none of the lemon seeds go into my squeezed juice. So let me show you how we're going to use our tongs. We are going to close our tongs completely, and you want to get it in the center of the lemon. You're going to push it in as far as you can. It might be a little tough, and you can use your tongs to rotate it, squeezing all the lemon juice out. And this is why it's nice to have a strainer, so that way the seeds automatically get caught and you have nice fresh lemon juice. So you have to juice all your lemon halves to have enough juice for your lemonade. Next, we're going to add our sugar to our lemon juice because lemon juice is very sour. You need the sugar to make it nice and sweet. So we're going to grab our lemon juice that we squeezed, and we're going to use our measuring cup to add our sugar. And you need to use a spoon to dissolve all the sugar into the lemon juice. Lastly, we need to add our water to this lemon juice and sugar mixture. So we're going to add our water. And we need to stir it. So that way all the water and lemon juice and sugar get completely mixed together. Now, when all your sugars dissolve, your lemonade is ready. I suggest you put some ice so that it's nice and cold, but you can also customize your lemonade. You could put different fruits, maybe add more lemon wedges. I'm going to add blueberries in my lemonade. Okay. Last but not least, enjoy your delicious lemonade. I hope you enjoy. I hope you have a great lemonade stand, and I miss and love you all.